See what Chucky's doing here? He's looking to the fence. He wants to go back in the easement where there's woods and overgrown stuff. He knows I'm watching him, so he's laying down innocent. But trust me, he's plotting right now. This is the day after his first birthday. He's officially a cat. And he wants to go on a hunt. He's looking at these birds flying around. He's making his move. Birds are flying around him. And he wants to play with them. But we don't want him playing with them because he doesn't do very well in letting them keep their heads and stuff. And a bird needs their head